Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, if you don't have Phantom Wallet, just go ahead and go to your extensions manager right here. And if you can't see extensions manager, go ahead and go to the three dots or the three horizontal lines. Just click on it. Now go ahead and click on extensions and visit web store. Alright. And here, go ahead and use the search function. Now look for Phantom, just like that. Hit on enter. Now just click on the first search result. Just click on it and hit on get. Okay, going back. So just go ahead and open up your Binance account. Now once you're in here, go to the top right and hover your mouse onto assets. All right, now click on overview. Now once that's done, click on withdraw right here at the top right as well. Now go ahead and select the coin. In here, just click on the drop down, backspace to delete the letters. Now go ahead and select Solana. If you can't find Solana right away, go ahead and use the search function and type in Sol. Okay, just click on Solana. In here, as you can see, it needs a wallet address. So let's just go ahead over to our Phantom wallet right here. Click on it to open it up. It will ask you to create an account. And if you do have an account, just go ahead and log in. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in my password like so and hit on unlock. Got it. Now in here, I'm going to make sure that I'm under the receiving section. All right. So I'm going to select Solana. As you can see here I have my wallet address. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on copy. It says copied. I'm going to paste that in here. Solana says here auto matched. Just leave it as is. But if you want to take a peek, just go ahead and click on the drop down right here. And as you can see, we have other options, but it is grayed out. So just leave it as is. So as you can see here, the minimal withdrawal amount for Solana is 0.1. So just go ahead and type in your desired amount. Now, once that's done, you can go ahead and click on withdraw, follow the simple prompts, and then go ahead over to your Phantom wallet. And in no time, you'll receive your Solana from Binance. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.